Hey y'all, it literally was just pouring outside, like pouring like a freaking hurricane, and now it's sunny. And I was rushing out of work to bring Chase to practice because he has his jamboree tomorrow. Chase is our middle son and he plays football. He has his jamboree tomorrow, and I was rushing out of work because today is the last day before the first day of school for us. So I was rushing out of work to bring him to his practice and then cancel practice. But that means that we have to be at the field at 7:45 tomorrow, and we are an hour away from the field. So I am just now leaving work. Cavell is our oldest, and he is starting lacrosse. So they have a workshop tonight, and I wonder if they're still gonna have it because it stopped raining. It's no longer raining. It doesn't even, if the ground wasn't wet, you would not believe me that it literally was just hurricaning out here 2 seconds ago. But yeah, so I'm going home now. We have a little bit more time because that starts at 7:30. I'm going home and I need to see if they're still doing that. I hope they are because he's really excited about it. If he has practice tonight, then I will take y'all along with me to the lacrosse practice. I've never been to a lacrosse practice, so I don't even know what that looks like or what they're gonna do. And then if not, I will see y'all bright and early in the morning for Chase's jamboree. Jenny, what's Cavell doing?
Playing that.
Playing what?
Mom, playing that.
That's called lacrosse. Yep.
Yes, sir.
It's the cross, not the glass.
It's lacrosse.
He's going where?
Hey y'all, so I completely forgot to pick up the camera this morning before we got here, and Chase's game's just finished. I'm gonna insert some clips.
Run, Chase! Go, Chase! Run, Chase! Run, Chase! Run, Chase! Run, Chase! Run, Chase! Yeah! Go, Chase! Go again, Chase! Go again, Chase! Go again, Chase! Go again, Chase!
He did great. He had 6 touchdowns. Say hi. He's trying to get a PS5, so every touchdown he gets is $5. So it's gonna take him some time, but he'll earn it. He'll probably get it by the end of the season. So yeah, I'm gonna go. We're gonna drive home, and then I'm gonna drop them off, and I have to go get my nails done with Gwen. So I will see y'all in a little bit. So I ran down the street to get my nails done because Jessica's at work, and he got called into work, so I can't. Sorry. So I can't stay out long. Just getting my nails done. got my nails done. Look how freaking pretty. You can see that. I got them really short because I'm back to school now, and I like legit break my nails at work all the time, so I had to get them short so they can last. So Justin got called into work, so I have to run back home because the kids are there. I wanted to go to the thrift store because, like, y'all don't understand how antsy I get when I know that the thrift store has new stuff and I haven't seen it yet. But I can't go today, so I was gonna take you guys with me to that. So I'll definitely go thrifting sometime this week, and then I'll haul for you guys what I got. So right now, I think we're just gonna go back home. I was gonna go to one of my sister's houses, but he said he's not gonna stay at work for long, so I don't even know if it's worth going over there. But I absolutely love, like, when I can how do I say it, like when I can take advantage of the fact that I get to be out and away from my husband and the kids. Like, going to get my nails done is me time. I also only go grocery shopping alone because, like, I consider that me time as well. But I was gonna, like, couple this trip, my nail trip, with a quick little thrift trip, but I can't. Yo, my voice is, like, gone. I lost my voice a couple weeks ago, but it came back, and now it's on its way out again because I was out there screaming at Chase's football games season. So right now I think I'm going home. I need to do Chase's hair, but I don't know if I want to do it today or tomorrow, but I have to do it because he starts school really soon, like really soon. So I need to get it done, but I don't know if I feel like doing it. So, and I have to cook dinner and have no clue what I'm cooking. Are y'all like me? Like, I literally, I hate figuring out what to cook, but I don't mind cooking. I love cooking. So I'm always like, what do you guys want for dinner? What do you guys want for dinner? Like, when they say I don't know, I literally feel like, forget it, we're not eating. Because I don't want to have to figure out what we're gonna eat. So I'm waiting for Gwen to be done. My phone was dying, that's why I came into the car. And then I guess we'll figure out what we're doing. I need to call Justin and see what time he's coming home, because I do still want to swing by my sister's house. I have, like, withdrawal from them. I seen them yesterday, but I didn't get to see them today. So look at Gwen's nails. They came out so cute.
Details.
The details. Gwen likes her nails ghetto as hell.
They're not ghetto, they're slight ghetto.
And I am, like, so plain Jane. I almost never even get color on my nails. I get them like just the pink gel and then, like, clear over that. And I have, like, a darker nail bed. Like, that's my actual nail bed color. So my nails usually just look like that. Gwen, on the other hand, likes ghetto ass nails.
They're not ghetto, they're like
ghetto ass nails.
They're slight ghetto. You know, I can still wear them to work and be like, okay. I
They're
don't like
latch.
any of those, like, gems and stuff like that on there. They're gonna fall off anyway, so.
They're ghetto, they're just short. She likes all that design all over the place.
Yeah,
I get sick of it. I get sick of color. I can't even get color. But
like, these are nice because even when they grow out, like, they won't be bad because there's no color down at the base. So I like it.
Says the girl with the ratchet nails. So they decided on lasagna tonight, and I don't have any ground beef, so I just, oopsie, sorry y'all. Stay. I don't have my my mount in my car. I don't even know where I put it. I need to find it. Sorry y'all. Stay. I'm like trying to rig it up. There we go. So I just got to Big Y because they decided they want lasagna tonight. And I don't have any more ground beef because we had tacos earlier in the week. So I just need to grab ground beef, juice, and then I think I need mozzarella cheese. I'm just gonna grab some. I always have, like, mad cheese in the fridge. I'm lactose intolerant, but I love cheese. So I'm just gonna grab a little bit more. So it's just a really quick trip to the grocery store, and then I'm gonna go back home and wash Chase's hair and retwist it. He starts school in a couple days, and I have to do Chase and Cavell's hair. So I'm gonna do Chase's hair today, and I'll do Cavell's hair tomorrow. Chase's hair is not that bad, but Cavell's hair is so freaking thick, and he has, like, the whole, it's, like, shaved all the way around, and as you can see, like, it's still, like, mops over. His hair is so thick, and we can't cut off anymore without it looking crazy. But yeah, so I'm gonna do their hair, and then I think I'm just gonna chill for the rest of the night because I'm kind of tired, and we have, like, so much to do still because we have to go buy sneakers for the boys tomorrow. And I hate that. Oh my gosh, it is such, like, a trip. It is such a, like, whole day's activity to go sneaker shopping for the boys, and their feet are getting bigger. Both of their feet are bigger than mine at this point, so their sneakers are mad expensive. So we're gonna go do that tomorrow. But I'm gonna go run into Big Y and then I'll go home and wash Chase's hair and retwist it. So y'all, not only am I lactose intolerant, I also have a gluten intolerance. So this is my absolute favorite gluten-free lasagna noodle, gluten-free pasta and lasagna noodles. It just tastes like real lasagna noodles. And if you are gluten-free like me, and this is not by choice, I don't have celiac, I just have an intolerance. And I used to be able to eat wheat before I had a baby. Then you know that it doesn't taste the same. It does not taste the same. So when I can find something that tastes really good and tastes close to it, I'm excited. So they have lasagna noodles. They also have egg noodles. They have I don't even know what that is, but they have it. Yeah, definitely my favorite brand. This is also my favorite brand of bread, and I get it in the Hawaiian sweet. Love it. Move your hand. y'all, so we're having movie night tonight, so I just wanted to end the vlog for the night. And, we're watching, guys, what's this movie called? What's the movie called?
Ready Player One.
Ready Player One. My husband and Chase love this damn movie. I'm also editing, and tomorrow we are going sneaker shopping with the boys, so I will see y'all then. Good morning, y'all. We just got to the mall. This is like my least favorite thing to do when it comes to shopping. I can literally shop for doorknobs. I love shopping, but sneaker shopping for the boys is a nightmare. Chase, say hi.
Hi.
It's a nightmare.
Hi.
So.
Hi.
So we just made it to the mall, and hopefully we could do this in less than 3 hours because it takes us forever to do this. It does. It really does. Hey y'all, so I just wanted to hop on really quickly and end this vlog. I forgot to pick my camera up when we're in the stores because I legit be stressed the heck out when we're shopping. So I did not pick my camera up. I'm just sitting here editing. Let's see if I can show you. And I'm tired as heck. Tomorrow is the first day of school for my students. I'm just tired. I need to take my butt to sleep. And I haven't eaten all day today because we've just been running around. So I just want to hop on really quickly and end the vlog and tell y'all I love y'all and I appreciate y'all for being here with me today. And I will see you later. Bye.